How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. In this next bull run, there's one thing that I'm looking for, and that's good projects, right? We're seeing a bit of a dip in the crypto market here today, and that's when I think we can get in on some newer projects, some successful projects, and I found a couple that are super interesting. If you didn't know, I'm a big investor in Tesla. They're one of my top two or three stock holdings. And one thing that I really like is their autonomous driving section of their business. And while it's not done yet, I do think it has high potential. Now, that's got me thinking about other forms of AI, other autonomous driving, other projects that are specifically in crypto, especially, let's say, Tesla continues forward and then they do get that approval. There are going to be other companies that are scrambling to get autonomous driving, to buy up autonomous driving coins, autonomous driving companies, which is why I want to talk to you today about Atlas Navi. Now, this is a crypto project that's been around for a bit. We'll go through what it is, but they are an $18 million market cap, fully diluted, right around 100. And that might seem like, oh, that's a pretty high valuation. Well, HiveMapper, which is somewhat similar, but has less users right now, has a market cap of 130 million with a fully diluted of 1.23 billion, and this was over 3 billion recently. So I do think there's some kind of upside potential here. Now we're going to walk through it though. If you don't mind, hit subscribe, turn on the bell notification underneath the video so you can see future videos just like this. I'm going to leave links to Atlas Navi underneath the video because they are a partner of the channel, so you can definitely go check them out. There's also a link down there to Margex in case you want to start trading cryptocurrencies on leverage. Now, Navi rewards drivers for using their navigation system, and they give cash back at the pump, basically. They give a percentage back. They give tokens as well. So let's walk through it. With cutting-edge technologies such as machine learning and blockchain, Atlas Navi is set to become the leading navigation choice for drivers around the world. It's drive to earn. Earn for each mile driven, choose a 3D NFT vehicle, and increase rewards by upgrading your NFT. So yes, you do have to buy an NFT, but from what I've seen, it's quite easy. And so far, they have 700,000 downloads, which is just massive. Let me pull it up here. 700,000 downloads and 150,000 daily active users. And they just made a big partnership with an oil company or with a gas station company. So we'll talk about that in a second. But again, when you compare it to some of its competitors like HiveMapper, it's much smaller, 1/12 the size. Now, HiveMapper is a little bit different because their token, Honey, is a little bit more well known. The drivers of Honey have a device that records traffic data for autonomous driving AI learning. Car manufacturers pay to improve their autonomous driving models with that data. That's how Honey works. Navi, on the other hand, you buy an NFT instead of that other device. So you can enable drivers to use their own phone cameras without the need for additional devices, all that kind of friction. Honey has also been invested by Toyota, and Navi is currently in talks with car makers as well. So they're getting some larger investments as well. Now, Navi itself is up 442% since it came to the market about a year and a couple months ago, launching right during the bear market, but still doing pretty well. Now, they are available on KuCoin, Uniswap, Gate.io. Those are the easiest places to buy them as of now. But I'm sure that they are going to probably launch on more exchanges as time goes on as well. Now, the team is fully doxed over at Navi. You can actually find them on the website, all their Indeed profiles. The CEO has been around for a while. He's been in the navigation software business for over 13 years. And he exited from various businesses in the past with huge experience in business and is a mentor for USC Incubator at the University of Southern California. So he's pretty well known as well. Now you can also refer your friends and earn Navi token as well. This is the only crypto app available on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is pretty cool. You can download it on their website. So you can get better routing, precise locations using AI. For better routing, it analyzes the road 25 times per second, which generates 100 times better data than other navigation apps. Other drivers are routed to avoid areas with problems. Real-time information, traffic and road condition detection through smartphone and dash camera. So they are really using AI. Like other projects bring up AI. No, they're really using it. They show some of their trusted partners here: DAOmaker, NVIDIA, Gate.io, KuCoin, etc. So most likely using NVIDIA chips at the end of the day. Now, you can do more research on their token, on their staking, on some of their statistics on their website. But it is a really cool project that is still like relatively small compared to a lot of other projects out there. Now, they recently made a big announcement. We are proud to announce our partnership with OMV Petrom, the largest fuel station chain in Romania with 555 gas stations and one of the biggest oil and gas producers in Europe. Starting tomorrow, drivers can exchange their Navi tokens for fuel vouchers. That's pretty cool. So it's a drive to earn. You put it up on your dash, let's say, with the camera on, and you get to use your tokens for payment at gas stations, and you get another 10% bonus on the amount that you refuel if you use Navi tokens. This way, loyal Navi users that have been using our app for a while and now can have free gas refills for several months through earning Navi tokens. This is really cool. This is just announced as of yesterday. Now, I think this is really cool. It's really at the cross sections of deepened, decentralized physical infrastructure and AI, which are two of the biggest narratives moving into the next bull run. I guess the only thing else that they could do is make a little game so that way when you're parked or something, maybe you could earn tokens, but I don't think they have any plans for that. I was just thinking about all the ways that they could get all the different narratives in for this project. It is really cool. Like I said, they have a ton of downloads, a ton of users. Of course, always do your own research as well. Like, never just take someone at their word. Go do research, figure out what you like about project, figure out what you don't like about project, and then figure out if you want to invest in it. I will leave links to this underneath the video in case you want to start looking into it more. When you go over to their Twitter page, they do have a big following. So they have about 32,000 followers, including DAOmaker and a few other people that I follow. So I definitely pay attention to this. Definitely go look at it. There's really no downside in doing more research on it and figure out if you want to be invested in it. Again, thank you to Atlas Navi for sponsoring today's video.